Two giants in the project management world go head-to-head, Smartsheet or Airtable. Which one truly empowers your workflow? On one side, we have Smartsheet, the tried and tested choice for structured project tracking. On the other, Airtable, the flexible, visually driven contender making waves. Today, we're testing them where it counts. Collaboration, customization, pricing, integrations, ease of use, and more. Forget the marketing hype. We're breaking down what actually matters for real teams. Each feature earns its score, so by the end, you'll have a clear winner based on the facts. And believe me, the final verdict might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, here's the game plan. We're comparing Smartsheet and Airtable across, let's see pricing, features, collaboration, integration and automation, user experience, and finally, scalability for the big organizations out there. So if you're torn between the two, hang tight. This'll help. Okay, first up, pricing. Smartsheet. Oof, it's a bit pricier per user and honestly, no true free tier, which is kind of a bummer if you're just testing the waters. But hey, they do throw in decent volume discounts for the big companies and a solid free trial. Now, Airtable, on the other hand, has this pretty generous free plan. More flexible paid options too, which I love. Of course, you might notice that those fancier features start pushing up the price, but overall, Airtable clearly has the edge here in value for most folks. Alright, let's talk features. Smartsheet is basically like a supercharged spreadsheet for managing projects. So it's got all these heavyweight tools, Gantt charts, critical path tracking, resource management, the works. The catch? It's a bit less flashy, and you can't really go wild building your own custom apps. Airtable? Super customizable. You've got Kanban, gallery, timeline views, and you can practically build your own mini apps if you want. That said, if you need deep project management features like Gantt, you'll end up paying extra. Really, it comes down to what you value more, hardcore project smarts or creative flexibility. Honestly, this one's a toss-up. Both are great, but in different ways. Next, collaboration, which for most of us is where the magic or chaos happens. Smartsheet's geared up for all sorts of workflows, so stuff like automated approvals and multi-user check-ins. Super smooth. Sometimes though, the interface feels a little, well, formal, like you're working at a bank. Airtable though, it's all about that real-time everyone, jumping in energy, easy comments, quick link sharing. The only thing is, if you're on the cheapest plans, the permission controls aren't quite as tight. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Smartsheet originally started as a spreadsheet add-on? Meanwhile, Airtable was inspired by, get this, Lego bricks. Makes sense, right? One builds blocks of databases, the other's all about the grid. Let's move to integrations and automation. Smartsheet does not mess around here if you're an enterprise. Integrations with like Microsoft, Jira, Salesforce, it's deep. Plus, their built-in automations are seriously sophisticated. But if you want the full toolkit, you'll need one of those pricier enterprise plans. With Airtable, you get this massive app marketplace, and APIs are super friendly. Think Zapier Make, that kind of thing. Sure, the complex stuff might cost more, but in terms of easy, accessible integrations, Airtable just pulls ahead. On to user experience, and oh boy, this is where the vibes are totally different. Smartsheet feels just like, well, a spreadsheet. Great for folks who love order, but it's not exactly eye candy, and if you're new, it can totally feel overwhelming. Airtable? It's got this ultra-modern, colorful interface. Drag and drop everything. Feels like something you'd actually want to open. Although, advanced stuff gets a bit tricky fast. But on first impressions and just daily usage, yeah, Airtable wins here easily. Last, let's talk scalability and enterprise chops. Smartsheet is, hands down, built for big business. The permission controls are super robust. You get things like audit trails, compliance for health or government stuff. If your company has lots of red tape, Smartsheet's totally your buddy. Airtable's no slouch for medium-sized teams and can scale with add-ons. But for hardcore compliance, you'll pay more. And honestly, you might hit limits with massive datasets. So, Smartsheet's the one to pick if you're thinking really big. So, if you look at our radar chart, it gets obvious. Airtable is the hero for price, user experience, and integrations, while Smartsheet is boss when it comes to big biz features and enterprise-ready compliance. Features and collaboration. Too close to call, honestly. So here's the bottom line. If you're a giant org with intense project tracking needs, Smartsheet is where you want to be. But if you want to feel creative, move fast, maybe you're running a startup or a team that thrives on flexibility, Airtable's your playground. If you found any of this helpful, seriously, tap follow. You won't miss out on smarter workflows and you'll save yourself hours of trial and error.